They said he never left the castle gates. He had everything: books, art, gardens made of glass. But none of it felt alive. Not until the girl arrived. She came to work in the garden. He watched her from the balcony, how she brushed dust off every flower like it was sacred. She didn't even know he was there. He invited her in. Not to impress her, but because for the first time, he wanted someone to see the place he lived and not be afraid of it. His family noticed, the staff whispered, but he didn't care. And she never flinched. That night the power went out. She lit candles, he made tea, and when their hands touched, he didn't let go. The next morning she was gone. No note, no goodbye. But in the garden, every flower was standing tall.